So we at Fuseneo just got a new studio dog whose name is ta-da, Socket. At Fuseneo, we just got a new studio dog named Socket. And you can see how much he likes to lay around. And so we thought he needed a really nice bed. So reached out to our friends at Casper, and before we pulled this thing out, wanted to just take a minute to unbox it. You know, there's been this whole movement around shipping mattresses and big foam things, and the vacuum packing and stuff that goes into that. So let's dig into this Casper dog bed here today and take a look at the packaging. All right, so the first thing that I want to call attention to is the outside of this box. They have done really distinct branding across all of their products and a really nice job. I love the way that they wrap their logo. They've just done a really simple one color on white Flexo box. They've labeled on multiple sides, made it easy for inventory and picking, and they've got a couple little handles on the side, which is a little hard because of the bed on this side, but this side is a little bit easier. Then, if we look at the top, the personality really comes out in this brand. So, mind you, this is a dog bed, right? The top says, "Rest your bones." Love the playfulness of this and the simplicity of this brand. All right, let's pull this thing open. You excited? I'm excited. All right, inside of here, we are greeted with super cool, really simple elements. Casper has really captured that essence of simplicity and effectiveness. So the top insert, instead of just being some white insert, they've actually printed it with the face of a dog. And that dog holds a little newspaper in its little cutout mouth there. And this is the snooze paper, which is setup instructions and care instructions on the inside. On the front, it just looks like a newspaper, but there's no writing, it's just lines. Super fun, playful. They show you how to put it together, how to wash it, and yeah. But that simplicity, the way that they've done that on the inside of this pack is really well done. Inside of the box is a gift. This is a waffle dog toy, and they don't promote that they give this to you. This is a total surprise. And well done, Casper, on just really that customer experience. That's just in a poly bag, a typical polyethylene poly bag there. And then let's see what else is in here. This is the outer sleeve. Again, nothing crazy here, just folded into a poly bag. And then lastly, this is the bed. So, as you probably well know, if you've ever ordered one of these online mattresses, or there's just a lot of products that have now come because of e-commerce, they've begun shipping these things vacuum packed. And super cool technology, really great way to modify the product and consolidate it for shipping. So you can get this really plush, great dog bed into this small shippable box. Let's cut this thing open. Are you ready for this? Are you excited? Are you excited? You don't know what you don't know. So pulling this out of its outer wrap, you can see here we have the bed all compressed up. There's the main bed, and I believe these are all just the bolsters, but they're all packed flat and rolled up. Super efficient. Let's see. This is actually probably the most satisfying part right here. careful not to cut the mattress. Is this a new bed? All right, let's see how he likes it. Come here. Come here. Ooh. You like it? All right, this isn't a bed review, but this thing is super nice. And obviously he didn't have any problems. But I love Casper's just simplicity of their packaging, of their box. These little things like the playfulness of that insert. You know, that's the kind of stuff that people notice, and it doesn't really cost any more. But those are the little customer delight things that you really need to think about when you, let's see here, when you design packaging. And it doesn't hurt that they threw in a little gift. Some waffles? So that's Casper's dog bed. And I think we've got some more stuff that we'll be unboxing for Socket in the near future.